Hello, Brian Spicciatie here from Realty Forte. In this short 5-minute demo video, we're going to discuss the blueprint to agency growth. We utilize our F.R.A.M.E blueprint, which is our 5-step method to grow your brokerage's annual sales volume by 20%. Your brokerage will also grow in market share, generate more leads, and increase online presence and brand awareness in just 90 days. But first, I want to just quickly discuss some of the challenges and problems for brokers that are trying to handle marketing. Broker owners are usually too busy to handle the marketing or lack the expertise to deploy it. Their current marketing team, they lack the experience, the guidance, or know what works for them. Some brokerages absolutely have no marketing plan in place, and they're just basically throwing spaghetti against the wall to see what sticks. Okay? Now let me let you in a little secret. Poor marketing leads to a decrease in revenue, decrease in agent retention, decrease in market share, and also makes agent acquisition damn near impossible. When you partner with us, say goodbye to all that. We're going to help you change all that around in your business. Now, let me just show you quickly our framework. See, we have a nice house, and it starts off as our first step right at the foundation. We're going to conduct a foundational audit on your business. So we're going to conduct a comprehensive audit of your current marketing efforts, your tools, your profiles, and all your channels. Step 2, we're going to do a report on those findings. We're going to provide you with a detailed report on all the findings, explain over a video call, and actually with all documentation. Right after that, we're going to move directly into step 3, and that is the action plan. That action plan is we provide you with the what, the where, and the how to fix all the problems and the issues from the audit. Okay? Then we're going to move into step 4. Step 4 is going to be deploying the marketing strategies and systems. We are going to provide you with the detailed marketing strategies to deploy and the systems to make it more cost-effective and efficient for you and your team. And then number 5, step 5, is the execution. Under our guidance and accountability calls, your team will be able to execute the step-by-step blueprint for your brokerage to succeed. Now, we're so confident in our F.R.A.M.E blueprint, and we've had so much success with it, we actually do put in a guarantee, which we'll tell you more about when you book a call with us. Now, when we're talking about confidence, I'm just going to show you some quick case studies. We helped one brokerage grow $7.5 million in revenue. We jumped their annual sales volume from $950 million to $1.2 billion. Helped them grow from 12 offices to 16 offices. We grew agent count by more than 150 agents within a year. When we did their audit and we looked at all the tools they were using, we were able to cut out over $112,000 in annual expenses. We also helped them negotiate a launch of a tech package, and we saved the brokerage an extra $60K on that negotiation when they installed their new tech. And we have more case studies that we can go over. How we helped grow sales volume for one of our other clients by 30% annually. We also helped them become the number 1 in market share and sales volume in their town that they wanted to focus on. We have many different testimonials and great words from a lot of our broker partners. You can check them out here. You can scroll down on the website as well and see more. But what we want you to do is just book a call with us. There is no risk to it. It doesn't cost you anything. Spend time with us. Find out if we're able to work with you, help you, and help you grow. That's what we're looking to do. All right? Thank you very much for watching this demo, and I hope you book a call with us. Take care.